Okay, children, we have completed the first chapter of EVS, and that is about myself. Now, today we will learn the second chapter of EVS, and that is my body. In this chapter, we are going to learn the different parts of body, plus how these body parts help us. We are also going to learn about the five sense organs and how these sense organs help us. So now let's begin with the chapter.
Subject EVS Chapter 2 My Body. So, children, in this chapter, we are going to learn about our body part. So, let's see. Now, in this, you can see three different pictures of the children doing different activity. Now let's see the first picture. In this picture, Tina is writing. She is doing the writing work. In the second picture, Mona is playing violin. In the third picture, Rahul is eating his food. So children, these children are doing different activity with the help of hands. So our body parts help us to do different activity. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn about our body parts. Our body has many different parts and each part has a name. So now let's see different body parts of our body. First, we will see the body parts on face. Hair. Our head is covered with hair. Just below the head, this part is known as forehead. Eye. We have two eyes. Nose. We have one nose. Ear. We have two ears. This part is known as cheek. Then mouth. We eat with our mouth. We have one mouth. So children, these are the body part on face. First hair, then just below the head and above the eyebrow is forehead. Then eyes, we all have two eyes. Then ears, we have two ears. Nose, we have one nose. Cheeks, and then mouth. So children, these are the body parts on face. Now let's see some other body part. Shoulder. Our head is supported by the neck, and this part is known as neck. Then finger. We have 10 finger, 5 finger in one hand and 5 finger in other hand. Wrist. This part of the body is known as wrist. Elbow. Then hand. We have two hands. Chest. Then leg. We have two legs. Then ankle. The joint between the leg and foot is called ankle. And then this is foot. So these are our body parts, children. So children, we saw about our different body parts and also the names of these body parts. Okay, now let's see some additional information about our body parts, how they help us. Legs. Now children, in this slide you can see the three picture of the children doing different activity. In the first picture, the boy is running. In the second picture, the girl is jumping. In the third picture, the boy is walking. So these children are doing different activity with the help of their legs. I run, jump, walk with my legs. So these children are doing different activity with the help of their legs. Hands. And now let's see what all activity we can do with the help of hands. I write with my hands. Hand help us to write. I clap with my hands. I use my hands to clap. I do my prayer by joining my hands. My hand help me to do my prayers. So children, you can see you can do different activity with the help of your hands. Next body part is neck. Children, our neck support head. Neck supports head and help to move head in all the direction. We can move our head up, down, left, right. So with the help of neck, we are able to move our head. Let's see some more body part. Wrist. Wrist helps hand to move and do work. Elbow. Elbow helps to bend hand. Shoulder. Shoulder helps to move our arms. So children, you saw how different body parts help us to do different activity. All the parts plays a very important role for our body. So children, now quickly we'll revise what all things we learned in this chapter. We learned about our body parts. We learned names of different body parts, different functions of the body part. We also learned how each parts help us to do our work. Now next, we will learn about our sense organ. Thank you.